Here we bring you another superfood, the avocado. Rich in nutritional properties and tasty. Here's why. Number 1. It's loaded with nutrients. The avocado was previously thought of as fattening and bad for health. Now is touted as one of the world's healthiest foods. Avocados have been found to help increase the absorption of nutrients from other foods when eaten together. Number 2. Avocado Mythology. After the arrival of Columbus in the 15th century, the tree was dispersed and grown in various countries. The city of Pusilha in Belize is known as the Kingdom of the Avocado, and the avocado tree is even depicted on a Mayan ruler's sarcophagus. Number 3. Medicinal Uses. The avocado helps support cardiovascular health because it contains a rich mix of high and low density lipoproteins. Glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, is in plentiful supply in avocados. It has been found to reduce cancer. In the past, every part of the avocado plant was used, either for food or for medicinal purposes. The stone of the avocado is the most controversial aspect, which was ground up and used as a parasite deterrent. Avocados should come with a warning though. Skin, leaves, branches and stone of the avocado are toxic to birds and some animals. The flesh can be toxic to humans too. Number 4. From heart health to weight loss. This green fruit is being heralded as the king of superfoods and is shown in studies to support cardiovascular health and aid weight loss. How does the avocado help in weight loss? Studies have shown that monounsaturated fatty acids reduce fat being stored around the abdomen. Avocados also have a high satiety rate. Number 5. A source of good fat. It is the fat profile of the avocado that aids in cardiovascular disease and cognition with high monounsaturated fatty acids. The fats also promote the bioavailability of fat-soluble vitamins and phytochemicals in the avocado itself, and also improve the bioavailability when eaten with other fruits and vegetables. Number 6. Perfect vision. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two phytochemicals that are found in the tissues of the eyes. These provide antioxidant protection that can help minimize eye-related ailments due to the exposure of ultraviolet light, and may even help offset age-related macular degeneration of the eyes. Number 7. Avocados may help prevent cancer. Avocados contain many nutrients known to be effective against cancer. The studies so far are encouraging, but are only in vitro. The anti-cancer effect of avocados is yet to be determined. Number 8. A healthy pregnancy. Folate helps DNA replication and enzymatic reactions for amino acids and vitamin absorption and use in the body. The avocado is rich in folic acid, containing about 120 UGS per half an avocado. Number 9. A healthy digestive system. We keep hearing about the goodness of fiber in the diet. The healthy fibers are generally found in the softer parts of vegetables or fruits, and also in animal meats. They are the polysaccharides which encourage good bacteria to flourish and help the passage of food through the digestive system. Number 10. Osteoporosis Treatment. Osteoporosis is a horrible disease, but did you know it is reversible with a change in diet? Avocados are another good source of calcium and magnesium. Bones also need vitamin D, and the best source is walking and being in the sunshine, as well as eating eggs and oily fish. Are avocados part of your daily diet? Comment below.